Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best blenders of 2025. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen this year, you'll want to stick around because blenders in 2025 aren't just about smoothies anymore. With smarter designs, stronger motors, and innovative features, these machines are built to deliver top-notch performance, durability, and incredible value. In this video, we'll break down each blender, highlight what makes them stand out, and help you figure out which one fits your lifestyle best. Whether you're blending up protein shakes, crushing ice, or making silky soups, we've got you covered. And don't worry, we've included all the product links right down in the description box so you can easily check them out and compare for yourself. So, which blender deserves the crown in 2025? Stay tuned because you're about to find out.
Number 1. The Vitamix Ascent X5 Blender. The Vitamix Ascent X5 is the newest model in the Vitamix lineup, and it comes with exciting updates that make blending easier and smarter. One of the biggest changes is the control panel, which now features 10 preset programs. These include smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, nut butters, and more. A standout feature is the dedicated cleaning cycle button. Just add warm water and a drop of soap, press the button, and the X5 cleans itself. This makes maintenance simple and helps keep the machine running smoothly. Another handy addition is the plus 15-second button, allowing you to extend blending time without restarting a program. The blender also has smart indicators like a tamper light that tells you when to use the tamper and an overheat warning light to protect the motor. Design-wise, the X5 looks sleek with its brushed stainless steel body. It's a little smaller than earlier Ascent models, saving counter space. The 48-ounce container is versatile enough for both small and mid-size batches, making it great for families or individuals. Plus, it's compatible with other Vitamix Ascent containers and the food processor attachment. One of the most impressive improvements is how quiet the X5 runs compared to older models. Despite its powerful 1500-watt motor, it blends smoothly with less noise. While there are a few minor quirks, like a slightly wobbly tamper holder and dial, these don't overshadow the many upgrades. With a 10-year full warranty, the Vitamix X5 is designed to last. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line blender that combines power, smart features, and modern design, the Vitamix Ascent X5 is an excellent choice. The Vitamix Ascent X5 blender is our top recommendation.
Number 2. Blendtec Professional Blender. The Blendtec Professional 800 is one of the most advanced home blenders you can buy. Known as the quietest blender in the world, it uses special stealth technology with a sound enclosure to keep noise to a minimum. This makes it perfect for blending early in the morning or late at night without disturbing others. Don't let the quiet design fool you. The Professional 800 is extremely powerful. It has a 3.8 peak horsepower motor, about 1800 watts, that can crush ice, grind nuts, and blend even tough fruits and vegetables with ease. To make blending simple, it comes with 6 pre-programmed cycles for smoothies, juices, soups, ice cream, batters, and mixed drinks. It also features an 11-speed touch slider, giving you full control over texture with just a swipe of your finger. A pulse button is available for quick bursts of power. The included WildSide Plus jar has a unique 5th side that helps create a strong vortex for smoother blends. It's made from BPA-free, impact-resistant material, making it safe, durable, and easy to clean. Just add water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, and you're done. The blender's sleek professional look is another highlight. Despite its strong build, it's designed for everyday home use and backed by a 10-year warranty, showing Blendtec's confidence in its durability. Overall, the Blendtec Professional 800 combines quiet operation, raw power, and easy-to-use controls. If you want cafe-quality smoothies, soups, or nut butters at home without the noise, this blender is an excellent choice.
Number 3. Breville Super Q Commercial Grade Home Blender. The Breville Super Q is a powerful and versatile home blender designed for everyday use. With its 1800-watt motor, it can blend tough ingredients quickly and smoothly. Despite its strength, the blender is quieter than many other models thanks to its noise suppression technology. One of the standout features is its 5 one-touch programs. These include options for smoothies, ice crushing, frozen desserts, and even hot soups. It also has 12 speed settings, giving you full control over texture.
Whether you want a silky smoothie, creamy dip, or fine spice powder, the Super Q can handle it. The blender comes with a large 68-ounce jug as well as a 24-ounce personal cup for single servings. Its smart base recognizes which jar you're using and adjusts performance automatically. It's also compatible with the Vac Q attachment, sold separately, which removes air before blending. This helps reduce oxidation, giving drinks brighter colors and fresher taste. Cleaning is simple with the auto clean function. Just add water and detergent, and the blender cleans itself. The lid is tightly sealed during use, but easy to remove with its special ring pull design. While it's strong and versatile, the blender is on the heavier side at 15.48 pounds, and its price is also on the higher end. However, it's built to last with a 10-year limited warranty, making it a long-term investment for any kitchen. In short, the Breville Super Q is more than just a blender. It's fast, powerful, and packed with features that make cooking and healthy living easier. If you love smoothies, soups, nut butters, or homemade desserts, this blender is worth considering.
Number 4. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 is a powerful and versatile appliance for blending, food processing, and smoothies. With its 1500-watt motor, or 2 horsepower, it can crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and handle tough ingredients with ease. The system includes a 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for large batches, a 64-ounce food processor bowl, and 2 16-ounce to-go cups with lids. It also comes with multiple blades, a 6-blade assembly for the pitcher, a 4-blade assembly for the processor, a dough blade, and extractor blades for the single-serve cups. The total crushing technology turns ice into snow in seconds and blends vegetables or fruit into smooth juices. In tests, it made creamy mango sorbet in minutes, pie dough in under a minute, and thick smoothies quickly. The dough blade can even mix up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds, making it useful for baking. Using the Ninja is simple. It offers 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, along with pulse control. The base locks securely to the counter with suction feet, keeping it stable during use. The parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleaning easy. On the downside, the food processor bowl doesn't include slicing or shredding discs, so it's limited to chopping, mixing, and dough making. The system is also quite large, so it will take up counter space. Overall, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is fast, efficient, and user-friendly. For under $200, you get a blender, food processor, and personal smoothie maker all in one. If you want power, versatility, and value, this is a great choice for your kitchen.
Number 5. Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is a great entry-level option for anyone who wants the power and quality of a Vitamix without paying the higher price of premium models. It's designed to be reliable, durable, and easy to use, making it a solid choice for home kitchens. The E310 has a strong 1400-watt motor, about 2 horsepower, which means it can handle tough tasks like crushing ice, grinding coffee beans, or blending fibrous vegetables. With 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature, you can control the texture of your blends, whether you want silky smoothies, chunky salsas, or hot soups. In fact, the high speeds can create enough friction to heat ingredients for fresh soups right in the container. The included 48-ounce BPA-free container is slightly smaller than other Vitamix models, but it's ideal for small families or single servings. Many users even find the smaller size better for making smoothies, dips, and nut butters. The stainless steel blades are built to last and don't rely on sharpness, so they stay effective even after years of use. Cleaning is simple. You can either place the parts in the dishwasher or add warm water with a drop of soap and let the blender clean itself in under a minute. Assembly is also quick, with just the motor base and container to put together. The E310 also comes with a mini tamper to help push ingredients toward the blades and a recipe book for beginners. Overall, the Vitamix E310 is powerful, easy to clean, and built to last. It may not have advanced features like touchscreens, but it delivers excellent results at a more affordable price, making it a smart investment for everyday blending.